The air against my skin feels different now. I listen for the dissonance before I speak. My hands are heavy, weighted with the truth. I cannot give what I have not yet kept. The history is written in the bone, but I am writing something new today. I am the architect of my own ease. My nervous system is a holy bell. I honor every note that keeps me whole, and trust the pulse that tells me I am well. This isn't distance, it is deep repair. I breathe the quiet, choose the steady light. We mistake the echo for the original sound, building houses out of habits that didn't serve. But now I choose the resonance of peace. I don't need the fire to feel the warmth. I'm practicing the art of staying when it's still, and recognizing kindness in the silence. The ghosts were only teachers in disguise. They showed me where the walls were made of sand. I thank the pain for showing me the way, then gently set the blueprint in the fire. I am not breaking, I am being built. I am the architect of my own ease. My nervous system is a holy bell. I honor every note that keeps me whole, and trust the pulse that tells me I am well. This isn't distance, it is deep repair. I breathe the quiet, choose the steady light. Resonance, resonance, resonance. Choosing resonance. Breathing out the fear. Just this breath, just this peace. I am home, I am here. Audible exhale.